Odd and even are two rounding functions that produce the nearest odd or even number to the provided value. They always round towards the largest odd or even number, considering only the absolute value of the number that you provide. So the result is actually smaller or larger depending on the sign of the number you provide. Let's see that with an example. Here I'm generating a series of numbers that goes from -5 to +5 with a step of 2.1. The first value, -5, provides for even -6, so 5 is rounded to the nearest larger even number, and then the sign is kept, and the result is -5, whereas odd produces, of course, the same number because 5 is odd. If we look at 0.80, even produces -2 and odd -1, so it's always larger in absolute value, keeping the sign. For positive values, the behavior is more intuitive. 1.30 is rounded to 2 or to 3, depending on whether you use even or odd.